my new t-shirts have arrived. So I order like, 20 of them all the time. And these are very cheap cotton t-shirts, very comfortable. I use them so bad that I cannot even give it to others people to wear them. So look at them, it's all worn out. So we got the cake, we will do the house tradition. I cut the cake, you cut my t-shirt. So the old t-shirts, they will be used for cleaning. Nothing goes waste in our house. Regularly we make different kind of cakes at home, but a lot of people have been requesting eggless cakes. So take all-purpose flour, just we're going to sieve it a little bit, and in the flour add baking powder, 1 teaspoon, quarter teaspoon of soda, add cocoa powder and flour. Mix all of these ingredients and keep this ready. Make sure you mix this nicely. You want to make sure that the baking powder, soda, everything is mixed fine. That is the reason we actually add everything and sieve it. In another bowl, take sugar and add yogurt along with the sugar, add oil, and all the quantities are there in the description. First, sugar, curd and oil. Mix it. Make sure that entire sugar is dissolved. In this add, just few drops of vanilla essence. Pour this mixture into the flour mixture and slowly mix it. The soda, as soon as it gets in contact with the sour yogurt mixture, it will start the reaction and little bit of aeration will happen. So just mix this. Now look at this. This is looking awesome like chocolate mixture. Now if the mixture is too thick, add a little bit of milk or water. In the meanwhile, make sure you preheat the oven. Look at this, nice. The mixture should be nice like this. If it is too watery, the bubbles will form and break, and if it is too thick, it will come hard. So now take this batter, pour into greased cake mold. So give it little bit tap to level it off. That's it. Put it in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for around 30-35 minutes and you will have this eggless cake ready. I just pulled out the cake, it's nice and hot and very good aeration and perfect. So make sure you whisk sugar, oil and curd very well and then you will get it perfect. Now here is a cream. This is fresh cream. You heat it and make it nice and hot. In the meanwhile, make sure that the chocolate is kept at room temperature, or you can even put it in the microwave for like few seconds, like 30 seconds, and when your loved ones eat it, just pour the cream along with the chocolate. Now all you need to do is slowly mix this, and first you will start noticing that the chocolate will melt. When I was in college, the first time I did this, I'm like, when you add cream to the chocolate, it will become lighter. And when I saw it should become lighter, so when I was mixing, I was like, oh, why will it become dark? Then slowly from the center, like a magic, this is become even more darker. And that's when you get this shiny ganache. And this is what you're going to see when you put this on top of the cake. Everybody will go in love. Oh my God, look at this. Today, Queen Victoria and even my son love chocolate cakes. So look at it. Today, homemade, awesome, that too, no egg, vegetarian chocolate cake. Just on top of the chopping board, we'll get the cake out. And look at this, beautiful. And you should see the spongy nature of the cake. Once you cut it, then you're going to see even more. Just take some sugar and water, mix it and make this sugar syrup. This will make the cake nice and moist. So on top of this, you can pour the ganache, the chocolate, and here you don't need to worry, just spread it a little bit. Now take another slice, put it on top of this. Working with chocolate, no licking please. This chocolate ganache, pour it. The beautiful thing to do, Ragini, is you have to pour the chocolate like this, okay? Okay. Now this is way too much, only at home it can happen. Now take this, okay. All you need to do is, in fact, when you pour the ganache, we don't even do this. So just look at this.
Wow.
Just, yeah, one time. And since we don't have icing stand, during the lockdown, the icing stand is stuck in my studio. But now you're going to let this cool down and then we're going to enjoy. Okay. Look at that nice, beautiful shine. And preferably serve it on a white, nice plate and it will look beautiful. So we are going to cut this cake because I've got my new batch of orange t-shirts. If I have to take that new batch and the old ones, as a tradition, what we do is she gets the privilege to cut all the t-shirts and then we use it for cleaning purpose in the kitchen, the tables, the floors, everything. And she cuts the t-shirts while I'm wearing them. And later we're going to enjoy this cake. Happy birthday. So I don't feel bad. I don't cry. I only pay attention for the cake. The Salman Khan is coming. My t-shirts birthday.
For your t-shirts. Orange t-shirts.
Juicy chocolate cakes.